Alright, well here's Parker's first birthday, and Addie's helping out.
Thank you,
There's
Addie.
Mommy taking a few pictures. There you go, buddy.
Alright, buddy, start.
Was your sister helping you out with one of them?
Oh, yep, sure is. I'll go get some.
Hey, buddy.
I'll go get some, I'll grab
Parker, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Show Parker what it is. Turn it around.
Cars.
Yeah. Well, he's pretty interested in that other one over there.
Parker, look. Parker, look. Cars. Wow.
All right.
Ooh, look it. Look.
And there's Macy.
What is that? Wow, that looks pretty cool, Parker.
There's Roxy. Oh, he's already moving on. Alright, well that's about it. Well, I'm sure we'll take another video of the cake later on and stuff. So
Wow.
it's Parker's first birthday. Yay, Parker. Are you super excited, buddy?
Look at his face. He's like, hey, what's up?
Alright, I think Daddy needs to go to work to start taking some of this stuff out. So, alright, we'll talk to everybody later. Addie, can you say bye?
Hey, Parker, this
Say
is
happy
Mommy
birthday,
and Daddy.
Parker.